Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2009 Ram 5500 service truck. Four-wheel drive, Cummins powered truck with an Aisin automatic transmission. 80,600 miles on it. Little over 3,800 hours. Full crew cab. It's got an IMT Dominator DOM1S2 bed with dual side tall cabinets. So you have your torch cabinets on this side and then tall cabinets on the driver's side as well. A 3820 crane, 7,500 pound maximum capacity, two-stage hydraulic extension out to around 20 feet, brand new winch line and a new aftermarket remote for the crane. It is fully proportional, manual outriggers, workbench rear bumper, and Boss Infinity air compressor. The truck has 3 full sets of drawers, all on the driver's side and shelving throughout otherwise. Really nice truck. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck that you'd want to see if you were here looking at it in person. So if you need any additional photos, videos, or information, feel free to call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. Brand new steer tires on the front. First half of the video, I'm going to go around and show the cosmetic condition of the truck, highlight any imperfections that I see. Second half of the video, we'll do a cold start, a drive, a crane and compressor demonstration. It is freezing out today. It's less than 20 degrees when I got in my car this morning. Power locks, power windows, cruise control. It is four-wheel drive. Have all your steering wheel controls here. It does have adaptive cruise as well, not just a base model truck. Pretty well equipped. You have your key fob, factory exhaust brake. The PTO for the crane is wired right up to the upfitter switch. All-weather floor mats. No rips, tears, or stains anywhere on the interior. Again, it's a 2019 model with 80,000. I think it was showing like 580 miles. That's just a reflection there. Cab of the truck's fairly clean. Really no dings, dents, chips, scratches anywhere that I see. Front chrome bumper's in good shape. And there's not really even any rock chips on the front lip of the hood. This is all that we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar, feel free to call or text anytime. It's 804-716-8487. We have trucks in all sizes, configurations, different chassis size, crane configurations, whatnot. So even if it's not listed on our site, we probably have it coming in. We get new trucks in daily. Here's a scratch down here on the passenger side front door. The truck has a brand new PTO just installed. The bed is a remount off of a F550 that came out of Florida. The bed is super clean, still has factory paint. We did not repaint this. This is the factory finish, still intact. Fronts of the bins do have some minor rock chipping. See right there. Super clean. Bed floor is solid, and all the bin floors are solid. All the doors close, latch, lock, seal as they should. All the handles are in good shape. This is your tall torch cabinet here with bottle racks inside. Another tall cabinet here. Got some shelves, bunch of extra dividers in there. You have a couple chips here. Again, nothing major. The bed's super clean. One open compartment here on the wheel well. No shelf. Drive tires are not new, but they have decent tread remaining on them. They ride nice and smooth, worn evenly, not choppy or anything. There's your crane compartment here. You have two Reelcraft hose reels, air regulator there. There's your body controller. Here's a shot of the load chart. So 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 20 feet 6 inches, and again a 7,500 pound maximum capacity. The truck does not have a welder, and it is manual outriggers, so that would kind of be the only two downsides I can think of on the truck. Nice pass-through bins on the rear compartment. And we did just apply bed liner right here just to freshen it up. You have your factory hitch receiver there. Access the pass-through bins right there. One full set of American Eagle drawers in here. That metal is cold on my fingers. Little spot right here where the bed's been previously touched up. Doesn't look terrible, but depending on the angle, it's more or less noticeable. There's a spot down here as well, just something to point out. Got one big shelf back here. There's your Boss Infinity air compressor, showing 463 hours on it. This compartment right here, best part of the whole bed. I'm going to show you this one first, but it is I mean, you almost need a step ladder. Well, you do need a step ladder really to see. Floor to ceiling set of American Eagle twist lock drawers. This one, the latch right here just needs to be re-secured. It still works, but I mean, huge set there. And then still another about 3/4 set here. So this thing has tons of tool organization and storage in it. And then being a crew cab, you have the rear seats as well for diagnostic equipment, extra clothing, what have you. So just tons and tons and tons of storage on this truck. Same as the other side, just have some rock chips along the front here. But that's about it. Again, if you need to see anything else up close or need more pictures, videos, or information, call or text 804-716-8487, and we'll get into the cold start and the drive. .3441 engine hours, 80,583 on the miles. Does have radar cruise control, steering wheel buttons, four-wheel drive, auxiliary switches down there, normal outlet, factory exhaust brake. Again, radar cruise, which is just a super nice feature to have on a work truck, not a basic trim work truck, you know. Truck drives great, nice and smooth, plenty of power. I mean, no vibrations, shakes, just a really great driving truck. Heat works good too. crane is operated off a aftermarket wireless remote. Crane's nice and smooth. I have the truck all the way idled up, so this is full speed. You can run it obviously with the idle down, but this is a pretty good speed for this crane. Let that winch out a little bit. Boom down. Again, it's a two-stage hydraulic extension out to 20 feet, 6 inches. Might go back to the other side. That sun's kind of glaring, hard to see. But quiet, smooth. Like I said, the crane operates great. Nice and tight, no slop in that rotation gear. That's fully extended out. Super smooth, super quiet. Another thing I'd just like to point out is all the cabinet lighting that's in this truck. Every single compartment has LED strip lighting in it. It's extremely bright, really useful, especially with this many drawers, to be able to pull them open and have that light, especially when it's this time of year and it's dark so early. You have your 2 spotlights on the back here. There's another light in this compartment. This compartment's lit as well as this one right here, and another side spotlight as well. So tons of lighting on the truck. Really nice LED cabinet strip lighting. Just another nice feature on it. In the bed, you have your hydraulic reservoir tank for the crane and compressor. Then you do have one waste oil or fresh oil tank here. Compressor's operated right off this auxiliary switch. Gets up to air super quick. Thanks again for watching. Again, it's a 2019 Ram, just over 80,000 miles, low hours, 7,500 pound crane, really well equipped service truck. Again, this is Taylor at Truck World RVA, and this is all we sell. If you're looking for anything else in a different size or configuration, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. We offer financing, and we do ship anywhere in the US. So if you have any questions about that truck or are looking for something slightly different, give us a shout, 804-716-8487. Thanks so much for watching.